Hi guys! Welcome back to True Boys YouTube channels.
Today we're going to cook chow. Okay, let's go.
Come on!
Now we're going to buy chow at the shop. We are on the way. Okay, we will be back soon. Okay, we're going. There it goes. We are coming back to our home. We're going to fry this at mustard oil, not at Ritigo.
Yes. This is the old instruments that we are going to buy today. And this is cooking. And now let's start cooking. First of all,
You have to put the oni and yon. There it goes. Wow. Next, put the
chow.
chiao. Wow. Wow. The chow is also very whitey, man.
Now the sauce.
Yes, this is the sauce. Put the sauce. Wow. Yeah. And
the
now
hot chilies.
the hot chilies. Put
And the salt.
in the salt. And the what?
And the milk.
Mel, yeah. No. Wow, my halwa is coming. Okay, take down, take down. Quite can come. Wow, this is the chow.
Now it's time to eat. Come on.
To eat. Okay, let's start with them. Wow.
Wow.
Ah! Woo! Oi.
Ah.
My sweat. Ah.
Thank you, Lord. Finally, we're done.
We're done.
Finished.
Yeah.
So hot.
Yeah.
Ah.
So hot. Everything is perfect, but so hot.
If you enjoy the video, please
Like,
and
share, subscribe.
and
If you
comment
want more
to Low Boys
YouTube channel.
There it goes. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the
So
video.
hot.
Ah.
Bye bye.
Bye.